Hey guys, welcome to our analysis week. So very exciting time. You get to really start diving into the actual process that we are talking about with Addie. One of the things I wanted to mention is in our first discussion, you don't need to be a content expert in the course that you are addressing. In fact, it's best that you're not, because that will help you think through how to approach analysis. And this is important because in your project, you likely are the content expert. I know many of you are working on classes that you would actually teach. So it's important to think about what this is like if you're not teaching it. And it's a good idea to approach any analysis from that removed view, even if it is something you're familiar with, because it helps you make sure that nothing is missed. If you have any questions about this week, please let me know. Again, you'll see a little bit less commentary from me in the second discussion because I want you guys to work together and ask questions of one another. That's very helpful for learning. It's helpful to have people who aren't familiar with your work review it and ask questions because they're going to see things that you don't. Have a great week, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.